Okay, welcome to the next tutorial of Blender. So, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be experimenting with the screw modifier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press G and bring this up. And then what I'm going to do is go to render, switch out that EV2 cycles. We'll go ahead and we'll take this cube right here. We'll go with edit mode. I'm just going to go with S for scale. I'm going to go ahead and grab the end right here. We'll go E for extrude. And we'll do S for scale. Just downwards. Now obviously we're experimenting a little bit right here, but hopefully we can make this into some sort of background. So I'm going to do a rough shape right here. So we'll go with object mode. Let's go to the modifiers real quick. We will add the screw modifier and we'll see what we can make out of this. So as you can see, we kind of have this nice little bowl with intercepting vertices. Kind of a nice little bowl. So I'm going to change this to the y-axis, see what we get. It's kind of like a torch. Okay, let's go with the x-axis. I'm going to go ahead actually and just scale this outwards, see what happens. Let's go iterations a little bit more. Maybe just make that 0, the screw. And you can kind of get this nice little screw coming through on this side. Let's see. Let's put this back on the Y. You're going to get something like this. And if we put this on the Z right there, kind of looks like a ship. Anyway, I'm going to go with the X. Let's go right click shade smooth so we can kind of get this kind of weird shape. And it's seen right there. And then the iterations, if we go ahead and apply those, they will go outwards. I think this is a great way of making rope as well. I've done that in a prior tutorial, but I just want to experiment with this really. And then we've got steps as well. And render. You got merge. And then you can change the 360 as well. So you can kind of screw that up a little bit more, which is cool. Yeah. I think that's basically it. Just a little tutorial on experimenting with screws within Blender. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.